Close your eyes for a second. I know that sounds strange in a video, but do it. Close your eyes. And imagine your life 1 year from today. Imagine waking up and the first thing you do, is check your phone. Not your alarm, not your boss's email, your affiliate dashboard. And the number on that screen is not hours for dollars. It is something your system generated while you were sleeping. $50 overnight, 100, maybe more. And the beautiful thing is net, you know it will happen again tomorrow and the day after, because the system does not stop. The emails keep going out, the content keeps working, the machine keeps running. Now imagine what your morning looks like. You do not rush. There is no commute, no boss waiting to give you tasks. You sit down with your coffee, you check your analytics, you create 2 or 3 new pieces. 15 minutes of work. You respond to a few comments from people who are on the same journey. And then, you do whatever you want. That is not a fantasy. That is a Tuesday for the people I showed you. People who started exactly where you are. People who had the same doubts, the same fears, the same voice in their head saying, "This cannot be real." Now open your eyes and let me walk you through exactly how you get from here to there. Day 1, you sign up for the challenge, the low-cost entry point. You watch the first training module. It takes about an hour. By the end, you understand the ecosystem at a level most people never reach. Not theory, the actual mechanics. Day 2, you set up your funnel, not from scratch. You clone the template. You change the words to match your voice. You connect your email autoresponder. By the end of day 2, your machine exists. It is live. It is real. If someone entered their email right now, they would start receiving your automated sequence. The work is done. Day 3, you create your first piece of content, a short video, text on screen, trending audio, 60 seconds. You post it on TikTok or Reels or Shorts. It takes 5 minutes, maybe 10. And then you create another one. Most of those first pieces will get almost no views. 10, 20, 50. This is normal. This is the learning phase. The algorithm is figuring out who you are. Do not panic. Do not judge. Just keep creating. Week 2, you are in a rhythm now. 2 to 3 pieces per day. You are getting faster. 5 minutes now. You start noticing which hooks get more views. You start feeling less awkward. Your email list has its first subscribers. Small numbers, but real people, real email addresses, real potential customers sitting in your automated sequence. Week 3 to 4, something shifts. One of your videos gets traction. Maybe 500 views, maybe 2,000. It is not viral, but it is proof. Proof that the algorithm can find your content and show it to strangers. Proof that people are interested. Your email list is growing. 30 subscribers, 50. Building trust on autopilot. Month 2, your list is at 100 to 200. Your content is improving. You have refined your hooks. And then maybe on a random Wednesday at 2 in the afternoon, you get a notification. Your first commission. Because it was proof, not that I was rich. Proof that the system works. Proof that a stranger bought through my link. I cannot tell you how that feels. I sat there staring at my phone for a full minute, without moving, without me ever talking to them, without me ever knowing their name. The system did it. That first commission might be $50 or $400. The amount almost does not matter. The concept works. Now your only job is to feed it more traffic. Month 3 to 4. Your list is at 500 subscribers. The commissions are stacking. You are earning from new sales and recurring tools. Your income is climbing exponentially. Each new subscriber adds potentially 4, 5, 6 commissions over their lifetime. This is the stacking effect. Month 6. You have been consistent for half a year. Your list is at 2,000. Your income has crossed $1,000. At month 6, you look back at month 1. and you barely recognize yourself. You see the world differently. This is the trajectory, not a guarantee, Tay. I will never insult you by guaranteeing an outcome that depends on your effort. You see opportunities where you used to see obstacles. You understand that income does not have to be traded for time, but it is a realistic, evidence-based trajectory for someone who follows the system consistently. Now, let me address every single reason your brain is giving you to not start. I do not have enough money. The entry point costs less than a meal. If you cannot afford a few dollars, I understand. But if the issue is that you are afraid to invest in yourself, that problem will keep you exactly where you are. I do not have enough time. You need 1 to 2 hours per day, the time most people spend scrolling social media. I am not asking for extra time. I am asking you to redirect time you are already spending on things with zero return.
I am not technical enough. The system was designed for people who are not technical. The tools are drag and drop.
If you can send an email and post on social media, you have enough technical skill. You are ready. What if it does not work for me? It might not. I cannot promise it will. But the cost of trying is small. The cost of not trying and wondering for the rest of your life is something I cannot calculate. I have been burned before. I understand. The fact that bad programs exist means you are smarter now. I spent 7 videos giving you value, telling you who not to buy. That should tell you if this is different. Now the question I promised you. Imagine 2 versions of yourself 1 year from now. Version A took action, started the challenge, built the system, maybe succeeded, maybe struggled, but moved forward. Version B did nothing, watched this video, felt inspired for a day, then went back to the same routine, same frustration. The question is not whether this will work. The question is, whoa, which version of yourself can you live with? I cannot make this decision for you. I would not want to. This has to be yours, unapologetically yours. But if something in these videos spoke to you, maybe that is not a coincidence. Maybe that is the same feeling Daniel had. The same feeling Joshua had, that Jonathan had when he was at his engineering desk, wondering if there was more. The link is in the description, the pinned comment. It takes you to the challenge WAV, a few dollars, a few days of training, a chance to see if this system is your system. I have given you everything I can. The knowledge, the proof, the honesty, the roadmap. The rest is up to you. Whatever you decide, I respect it. But I hope you decide something, because the worst outcome is not trying. The worst outcome is never trying at all. Thank you for watching this entire series. Thank you for giving me your time and your attention. Whether you click that link or not, Pi, I hope I helped you see what is possible. Link in the description. You know what to do.